Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the truth about beauty products, no filters. Today we're talking about a product that promises flawless coverage and a smoother complexion. It's the Tarte Face Tape Foundation, a cream foundation that claims full coverage with a matte finish. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Tarte Face Tape Foundation comes in a sleek bottle, designed for those looking for long-lasting full coverage with a matte finish. The shade I tested is 22N Light Neutral, which is perfect for light skin tones with a balance of warm and cool undertones, making it a versatile option for a wide range of skin types. Tarte, known for its cruelty-free and vegan formulas, does a great job in terms of ethical beauty choices. But does this foundation perform as well as it sounds? This foundation claims to smooth out imperfections while providing full coverage without feeling heavy. I've tested it out in various conditions, morning to night, in humid weather, and even during a few touch-ups throughout the day. And here's what I found. The first thing I noticed was the texture. The cream glides smoothly onto the skin, and a little goes a long way. I used my fingertips at first, but a foundation brush or sponge gave me the best, most even finish. When applied, it immediately gives that airbrushed look, smoothing out pores and creating a matte finish that doesn't look too flat. For someone like me, with a mix of dry patches and oily spots, I was impressed by how well it balanced the skin. It didn't emphasize dry patches, but it also controlled oil without needing constant touch-ups. In terms of wearability, this foundation holds up well throughout the day. It did fade slightly around my T-zone, but that's typical for my skin type. What I really appreciated is how lightweight it felt despite the full coverage. It didn't feel suffocating, which is often a downside of full coverage foundations. There are, however, a couple of downsides. For one, I found the foundation could settle into fine lines if not blended well, particularly around the under eye area. Also, the matte finish can be a bit drying for those with drier skin, so prep is key. Moisturizing beforehand is a must for a smooth application. If you're looking for a more dewy, hydrating feel, this might not be the best option for you. As for the price, it's definitely on the higher end for a drugstore foundation. But when you factor in its performance, long-lasting wear, full coverage, and a smooth, matte finish, it does justify the price point. If you're after a flawless, full coverage look for a special event, or even for everyday wear, it could be worth the investment. Compared to other foundations in the same category, like Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Foundation or Estee Lauder's Double Wear, Tarte Face Tape stands out with its blend of coverage and matte finish without feeling heavy. It's a great choice for anyone with oily to combination skin or those who need a reliable, full coverage foundation for long days. In terms of build quality, Tarte's packaging is always sleek and functional, and this foundation bottle is no exception. The pump dispenser ensures you get just the right amount of product without wasting any, and it's easy to take on the go. Now, if you're considering an alternative, there are more affordable options that still deliver full coverage, like Maybelline's Superstay Foundation, which gives you similar results at a much lower price point. However, Tarte's formulation, with its blend of skincare ingredients and ethical standards, might justify the higher price for some. So, does the Tarte Face Tape Foundation live up to its claims? Absolutely. It's ideal for those seeking a flawless, long-lasting, full coverage matte look, but it's not for everyone. If you have drier skin or are looking for a dewy finish, there might be better options for you. If this review helped you make a decision, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future honest reviews. And if you've tried the Tarte Face Tape Foundation, drop a comment below. Let's hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.